how to do a color change on acrylic powder. Okay, so first, this is the gel. So I'm going to take up a gel color on her nail. Everybody, slow, slow,
Thank you.
slow, slow. Let's take up gel.
Thank you.
She wanna cherry red. So Cynthia, she do nail at home?
Sí,
Yeah?
sí.
She make good money?
Ah, a ver, a ver.
Mucho, mucho dinero?
No, poquito
Poquito
una
dinero.
casa.
Ah, I see. This one, her daughter do her nail at home everywhere. If you come in, she do color change, but regular color change, no gel. She change the color, it's like almost the same with to do a refill. But the money will take less than to do a refill. Okay, so now I am going to. Okay, now we are to sand down all the stuff around. See it? Sand it down, make it flat on this side too. This side is a lot.
Okay, I'm coming.
See it? Because if you don't sand it flat, you cannot do a polish. Okay, let's work on it. See, it's a lot. See?
My granddaughter said that's a nice color. Yeah, that's a nice color. No, not the one.
It's a lot in your cuticles.
You broke the nail, so I thought my granddaughter said I put it on the chair.
It's exactly the same with when you do a refill. The difference that you don't have to put acrylic powder. But everything you do the same but charge less money. Now, going to do buffer. Wow. Okay. Okay, she's going to do a regular polish.
Cherry.
A cherry red. She said cherry
Okay.
red. Cherry red.
Mm-hmm.
A cherry red. Cherry red lady. Cherry red lady. Okay, second one. She like to polish that obsidian. Right? Thank you everybody for watching my video today, okay? Look at her hand, so pretty. Look at my hand. Woo! Thank you, bye bye, see you.